Okay. Today I'm gonna present about my mini project. Okay, my mini project is on to investigate the angle of kicking knee flexion during the instep kick in football. Okay, this is my background of study. Okay, football of the most popular sport in the world in terms of rate. Okay, scoring goal may be most difficult task in soccer. Play has due to variety shooting depend in the situation. Okay, to score a goal in a regular basis, the player should be able to execute a various shooting skill under the game-related pressure of limited time, restrict space, physical fatigue, and opponent interference. Wilbacher, 1991. Okay, the purpose of the study to investigate the better angle of kicking knee flexion during the step kick in football and the influence in the distance of ball kicking. Okay, problem statement. What is the better angle knee flexion during step football kick to ensure the perfect kick? Does the angle of knee flexion influence in the distance of ball kicking? Okay, the objective of this study is to investigate the better angle of inflection during the instep football kick. Okay, number two is to investigate the influence angle of knees flexion in the distance of ball kicking. Okay, the significance of the study. The significance of the study to share knowledge to improve in the instep kick in football. Besides that, it is to give more information to teacher or coach on how to increase player performance. Furthermore, it is also can be a reference for further study, especially about football kicking skill. Okay, next, this is the demographic of the subject. Okay, the subject was a male, height with 163 centimeter, with weight 56 kg, BMI 21.1 kg. Okay, the subject were informed to aspirator procedure gave again concern before experiment. Okay, this is the deterministic model that was I created by myself. Okay, next, the equipment that using in this mini project is Kinovia to analyze the knee extension in this research. Okay, next, phone camera. Number three, ball. Okay, I used standard size ball for football, size 5, and then broom stick as a scaling object in the video. Okay, here is the procedure on how to do this research. Okay, the study was held on a football field. Okay, subject using a same subject to kick the ball, and football, and the subject used football boot and appropriate dress. The shooting skill that used in this investigation was in step kick. Okay, the approach for an instep kick usually require 3 to 5 steps based on humanly in 2012. Okay, next. Okay, the shooting will took place in the penalty area. The subject used left leg to kick the ball. Next, shoot the ball in 5 times. Only 2 from 5 of the shooting will be chosen for the analysis data, which the 4 longest and the nearest distance of ball. The data for angle of miss extension will be recorded by using Kinovia. Meanwhile, the distance of ball will be measured by using the halfway line as the benchmark to see which of the shooting distance will be reached or not the halfway line. Okay, here is the setup plan. Okay, we had the subject, scaling object, penalty area, camera is over here, and the direction of ball. Okay, here is the result. Okay, the figure 1 show the result of analysis for the nearest ball distance. Okay, the knee flexion angle is 122 degrees, and the distance of the ball did not reach the halfway line of the football field. Okay, here is a result for figure 2 show the kinetic analysis for the longest distance of the ball. Okay, the angle of knee flexion for this is 90 degrees, which the distance of the ball reach and over the line of the halfway line in the football field. Okay, discussion. Here is this. Okay, the table had shown the two different data had been collected. From the data I have been conclude the distance of the table. Table 2 is the far than the table 1 because the distance of ball in table 2 reached and over the halfway line of the football field. So from this conclusion can be made that the table 2 has shown the better angle on knee than the table 1, and the angle of knee in table 2 more stable than table 1. This is because a better angle of knee when doing the instep kick will lead the longest of the distance of ball shooting. Okay. In conclusion, the study has achieved the objective where can be identified that the best angle kicking knee flexion is 90 degrees. Okay, this is maybe some error. 90 degrees. Okay, the better angle of knee flexion according to Yu Meng Lee 2012, the knee should be flexed at about 90 degrees. Okay, from the study also can be conclude that the angle of knee is influenced in the distance of ball in step kick, where the 19 degrees angle of knee flexion had reached and over the halfway line in the football field. However, there must also be some error or other effect that influence in the distance of ball, such as the difference of momentum and power of when kicking the ball. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.